Normally when you request to download a Python package with pip or Anaconda, it goes right from your computer, PC1 in this case, and it goes through the internet to the package location, and that download comes right back. But if you work for a big company who wants to have logs that are very organized by the requesting device, maybe they have some access control list with certain bad sites you're not allowed to access, and they want to just have a finer control on everything, they're going to make you connect to a proxy server to download different packages. So when you set proxy equals some address on your conda config or your pip config, what it does is every time you actually request to download a package, it'll set the source address to the server of the proxy server. So what your computer actually does is it asks the proxy server to download a package. If the access control list says that it's allowed to, then it will, and it'll come back to the server, it'll have logs, and it'll give it right back to you. That way the enterprise has finer control on everything, and it's all in one place. And unfortunately, it's very annoying to set up with virtual environments for the user, but oh well.